Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Wales, and this is a rectangular flag. You can see there's a dragon symbol. Let's draw it in the middle, the dragon. Okay, with the arrow here. This is the face, dragon face. We're going to draw the closest presentations of this one. It's a freehand drawing, so this is going to be the exact copy, but not the exact copy, almost similar. Okay, so we're going to draw the dragon here. It has a leg. On the right leg you can see the big claws present, and the right leg is coming up. Okay, and another leg is left one, which is on the ground. You can see on the ground. All right. Okay, let's extend it a little bit, and this is going to be the wings on the top. Let's draw the wings here. All right, another wings is going to be here. Okay, and another leg you can see with the claws here. Leg is going to be done. Okay, other leg is coming up here. The drawing of dragon is little bit a complicated one. Okay, all right, and it has a tail at the end, which is with the arrow here too. Okay, all right, now we're going to fill up the inside parts with the other red colors. Okay, to make it a uniform part. Okay, quite a lovely symbol, right? So it's a nice graphical presentations as we have seen here. Now I'm going to put the separation points with a pen. Then I'm going to put the color. So it has two colors, the flag of Wales. So one is the white color, which is remain the same as white now, and another one is green color, which we are going to put at the below part. Okay, so let's put the color. This is going to be the light green color, so let's put the light green color. This is very light, so almost invisible, but we need a more solid color. So let's put the color with the green here. You can see. Okay, now we can see a little bit presentations of the colors here. Green. Okay, all right, let's fill up inside the spaces with the green colors. Okay, all right. So this is it, the flag of Wales. I hope you like the video. The color is already done, green, red and the white. It's a nice combinations. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.